Assalamu alaikum and hello viewers. Today we are discussing skin diseases. We are discussing pictures, causes, symptom and common treatment of all those skin diseases. First of all, we are going to discuss the acne which is caused by bacterial infection. In acne, there form the papules, pustules, nodules over the face, over the chin and over the forehead. It is one of the most common skin disease which is happening all over the world. Next is eczemas, in which we are discussing atopic dermatitis, which is caused by allergy and type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. The main sign and symptom of eczema, it is itchy papules form in the flexures of the body like elbow, knee joints and other flexural area. There will be dry, cracked skin and there will be itching, rashes and swelling of the skin, and there will be oozing and crusting lesion from those lesion. Next disease is contact dermatitis. As the name suggests, this is eczema due to some contact. It is a type of inflammation which is caused due to the contacts. And symptom of the contact dermatitis, there will be itchy red skin, there will be dry cracked skin, blister formation, and there will be burning and tenderness over the skin, and there will be oozing and crusting lesions on the skin. These are the symptoms of contact dermatitis which happens due to some contacts. Other disease we are going to discuss is psoriasis. It is one of the most common skin disease, and the cause of the psoriasis is it is autoimmune skin disease. The symptom of psoriasis, there will be plaque formation on which silvery scales will be present. These scales, they can be dry and cracked and they have itching and burning sensation, and it also affect the joints. It is called psoriatic arthritis. When you remove those scales, there will be bleeding points beneath it. It's called Auspitz signs. Next is urticaria. Urticaria, it is also called hives, in which there will be red bumps. Those are present all over the body. Urticaria is acute allergic reaction which happen all over the body, and there will be itching, swelling, painful wheal formation all over the body, and it reduces after taking the treatment. Other skin disease is that is vitiligo. It is also called leukoderma, in which white patches formation all over the body, and it is autoimmune disease. These white patches can erupt suddenly and can stop itself because it is autoimmune disease. Next is pemphigus. Pemphigus is autoimmune blistering disease in which there will be blisters or bulla formation over the skin. These blisters ruptures itself if it is pemphigus vulgaris, and they, if they remains more than 48 hours, these are called bullous pemphigoid. Other disease is scabies. Scabies is one of the most common disease which is happening all over the world. It is caused by sarcoptic scabies, in which there will be blisters, papules, pustules, and itchy lesion formation all over the skin, but mainly in the flexural area, genital area, and in kids it also happen on the face. Other disease is ringworm infection, in which there will be ring type of lesion formation occurs all over the body, and there are different types of ringworm infection. If it happen on the scalp, it is called tinea capitis. If occurs on the body, it is tinea corporis, then tinea crurus, tinea pedis. These ringworm are caused by the dermatophytes. These are the fungal infection, and they exaggerate by the humid and wet environment. Other skin disease is rosacea. These are the red colors, telangiectatic lesion formation over the face. They are the butterfly-like lesion. They are present over the cheeks. They are present over the forehead, even on the nose, and all over the face. There will be dry, itchy rash over the face, and there will be telangiectatic vessel, dilated blood vessels present over the face when there will patient having the rosacea. Other skin disease is warts. This is caused by human papilloma virus. These are raised scaly lesions present over the plantar surface of feet, and they are rough on touch, and they can be spread from one person to other person. Other disease is shingles. It is also called herpes zoster virus, and they basically affect one dermatome of the body, and they are having painful burning and itching lesion all over the that dermatomal area, and they can spread from one person to other person in between the period of 5 to 7 days from the direct contact from one person to other person. Patient may have fever, headache, and fatigue also. Other skin disease is folliculitis. As the name suggests, it is infection of the hair follicle. It is caused by Staphylococcus aureus, and wherever there is hairy area like scalp, beard, mustache, and other hairy areas, these hair follicle can have bacterial infection, and folliculitis can occur all over the hairy areas of the body. Now we are discussing common treatment for the skin diseases. Initially, we must have proper diagnosis to do the skin treatment, and after having proper diagnosis, we should have proper treatment regime. There are multiple skin diseases, and there are multiple skin treatment options also available for each and every skin lesion. These are few options like antihistamine, antibiotics therapy, steroids therapy, vitamin injections, laser therapy, and light therapy we can give to the patients. As we know, there are many skin diseases, and there are multiple skin treatment options for every skin disease. There is no particular and pertinent treatment you can do on each and every skin lesion. Every skin lesion have different diagnosis. First of all, you have to make proper diagnosis, and then you go proper treatment regime. But this treatment regime, what we are discussing today, that is basically superficial treatment regime, which you can do as a first aid treatment. If the patient come across you, you can do all these treatment regimes. Now, most important thing is nursing care for the skin diseases. There are multiple options for nursing care, and there are multiple precautions to avoid the skin diseases. What we are discussing here, most common nursing care is good personal hygiene and skin care. Dietary changes and balanced diet. You can take the more fiber diet, more carbohydrate diet, more water intake, avoid sharing the utensils, avoid stress, use moisturizers. If you're using moisturizer, you can avoid yourself from many skin diseases like psoriasis, eczemas, and other skin diseases. Avoid contact with allergen. Sleep at least for 7 to 8 hours. Protect skin from extreme heat and cold, because there are many diseases which can exaggerate from heat, either from the cold weather. So you should avoid and protect yourself from heat and cold, and wear loose cotton cloths. Avoid sun exposure. Sun is one of the most common thing which damage the skin. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and we tried our level best to cover many skin diseases. Please subscribe this channel so you can have most relevant and most authentic knowledge about these skin diseases. Thank you very much.